Hello, Gems. My name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. And today's video is my mini savings video. I have $50 here and two $5 bills that it just gives a little savings boost. And I have my 6-sided die and my 6 challenges. So let's get started. Oh, and I did have some $5 bills here to buy back any ones. So let's get started. Oops, 5, 4. And I just play this just to put money towards my revolving sinking funds. And I will share that with you guys after I'm finished. And to see how much we save for the month of July. Okay, 4, you're just getting all the money today. And I just placed 2 bills wherever the dice tells me. 4, and the last 2 bills go to 2. All right. So let's see what we have here. All right. So first we have a party planner papery. And I'm at each square $2. And today got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6. 2, 4, and 6. And you got 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, $12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. $12. All right, next we have NASA budgets. And this is a little carnival thing. So cute. Let's make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 10, 15, 20. Let's make each one $1. So today it got $2. So let's cross off 2 popcorns. 1, 2. Speaking of the carnival, I think you guys are seeing this afterwards. Maybe it's still going on, but we plan on going to our state fair, the Ohio State Fair here in Ohio. I haven't been in such a long time, and I can't wait to go eat some yummy food. Yes. Look at I like to visit the craft vineyards also, or vendors? Yeah, vendors. There we go. Yes, I like to visit the vendors, especially the craft ones. The one that I went to for the 4th of July is where I got my permanent jewelry from. So yes, I like to support small businesses. So okay, back to this. So this is created by Stuff and Budget, says $35, and today got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and $6. Oh, let's cross off 6. So let's do the 5 for the calculator and the 1 for the pencil. So it got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, $16. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, what am I doing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. 5, 10, 15, $16. All right, next we have, excuse me, we have Budget with Carly, and let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. So let's make each circle $2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, $8. So 1, 2, 6, and 8. Perfect. All right, next we have, oh, this one got all the money. And this little one is only $12. Should we just make these? Let's see how much we got. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. No, I don't want to finish this one already. So let's double these and make these $2. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18. So let's do 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Let me put times 2. These are times 2. It's like we just put this one in there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Okay. All right, next, is this the last one? Yes, this is the last one. And this is created by Mystic Budgets. And it says $32. Today got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So $10. Are we finishing this one? 3, 6, and no, we just 7, 8, 9, 10. I need $1. I should have took $1 from that one. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Did I do that right? Yes, $10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have, I already had condensed this one because I needed ones to play today. So 25, 36. So, oh, no, what? $25, $31. $31, and we need 32. So we just $1 short. So we might finish this one next week. Maybe this one. Who knows what the dice will tell us. But we shall see. So that is all that. That is the mini savings right there. And let's see how much we completed for the month of July. We finished a few of them. So let's add it up. So we have 32. We have 18. We have 24. We have this big one, 50. We have a 16. We have a 28. Any guesses? 24. And last one is 32. So we completed in the month of July $224 for my mini savings, which will go into my revolving sinking funds. And I can share with you guys the binder for that. And what I usually do is roll the dice as a like randomizer to see which sinking fund it will go to. But I need to go through here and update my trackers and see which one really needs to be pumped up a little bit. I did write myself a little note here saying I need my RN. I need to pay my RN license and my nurse practitioner license, and I'm short $58, so I will take $58 from there. And I need to pay for my car registration, which is $62. So I know these two is a must. I need to put into this revolving sinking funds. So this section here is medical, my kids' savings. So this is any I say for anything is for they want shirts or some off Amazon or somewhere in the store. I just go here and take the money for that. This is for self-care. I was saving this for my nails, but as you can see, I took a break from acrylic nails, and like I said, my natural nails usually grows out pretty fast, so I really haven't been saving anything in that, but I might get back to it. Subscriptions, back to school, Etsy. I need to put some money in here because I need to go a little shopping. Me time, so this is anything for myself. Birthdays, utilities, home repair, vacation, annual expenses. So this is where I was saving for my nursing license. And as you see, I wrote myself another note. Both of my license come up to a total of $200. Vehicle maintenance and miscellaneous. So this is like a buffer. So yeah, so this is just my revolving sinking fund. That's why I don't put prop money in here. This is, I put cash in here. So if we just need anything, I just go in here, grab it, boom, pay cash. So thank you, Junes, once again for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, Junes.